Yo-ho! Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix your keyboard not working on your PC or laptop. Let's begin. First, right-click on the Start button over here, and select Device Manager. Okay? Once you have opened your Device Manager, head over to Keyboards, click on the arrow key. Here you will have lots of options for keyboard device. It doesn't matter because we will go through these one by one. Just right click and then uninstall device, click on uninstall, and you will do the same for every single keyboard device listed in here. Alright? Again, every single one. Once completed, close this, restart your computer. Once booted, your keyboard should now be fully functional. And that's it. You have now successfully fixed any hardware issue in your PC. I hope you found this video very helpful.